Alright, today on Laser Wood Shapes, we've got a repair job to do on the K40 laser. I no longer have control over how much current is going through the laser. In the past, when I set this down to 30% or lower, the laser would turn off and you could adjust it past that and go all the way up to full power. Now, full power all the time. No matter where I have this set, even if I've got it set for 0, it's still going 100%. Now I've seen some guys online say that this is an indicator that the laser tube is no longer valid, but I don't think so. I think we have a bad potentiometer inside of this dial. So I went and ordered some from China and they arrived today, so we're going to repair this and see if we can't get this thing back under control and cut in the way it's supposed to. Alright, so to get this repair done, we're going to take this potentiometer off from this side, desolder it from its connections, then take the new one and solder those wires onto the new potentiometer and then put it back together. So let's get that taken off. Alright, so as you can see here, same serial numbers, they're both 2 watt, both 1K potentiometers. I'll bet they're the exact same manufacturer. It's the only place on the internet I could find them, so they're probably from the same factory. Okay, down here, put it up here, good as new. Now there's an excuse to buy a 3D printer if I ever saw one. I need a new plastic knob. Alright, last step to the repair. We're going to hot glue this knob right onto the end. Let's hope this works. Alright, I think we got it. Yep, goes from 1 up to 10. Feels good and smooth. I think we're good. Perfect. Repair complete. Now let's get cutting. I'd say we've got our laser control back. So excellent result, repair complete. I'm happy.